Hi guys, it is Dimitri from Permatex Installations on site. Episode 4. We decided to change the cardan shaft. We have the new one right here. Just received it actually. So this is a number, and it comes with a center. This is where all fail after a while, and new Guibo, of course. So the new Guibo actually is already, you can see the three bolts right here with an orientation. It shows where it should be, this end, and this is the head. Okay, so we have, when we go on to the car, we have to put the bolts this way. So it is this, 3 this way and 3 this way, because I've seen on the internet some of the installations, they all have the same orientation for the bolts, which is wrong. Something else, we just received a package from Pelican parts from USA. We are in Australia, but these are from USA. So, and honestly, it was very big surprise what we got. Look at that, exclusive years offer, 200 off, free breakfast for 1 year. That's unbelievable. This is how, you know, Americans treats customers. Very good. Pelican parts. And what we order? We order brake pad hardware. So we're gonna change everything at the front and at the rear. So this comes actually front and rear, as you can see right here, set for both ends. And the most important is the bolts. These bolts must be changed every time you mess with the actual, you know, suspension parts, because it is torque to yield. You cannot use the same bolts. You can't use the same bolts because they do have special torque specifications. I forgot to see. Look at that. They send us. They are so good. God bless America. Okay, guys, here we are. Underneath, you can see the carbons after it is, they changed it in the past. But as you can see right here, it is wrong installation again, because right here, as explained to you, we have arrows. So the arrows must show where it is the flange, the head, and the bolt. So this one right here, it's wrong, because it should be this side, the head right here, and the bolt this way. So why we change that, despite the fact that it is not so worn right there, it looks okay, but so you can hear the sound. That comes actually from the bearing, from the ball bearing, which is inside there. So let's pull it out, and we're gonna have a look later on. So in order to do so, we have to take out the the exhaust. So we're gonna take out the whole thing from here all the way to the back. So we have this one in order to support the rear of the exhaust, because it is a big part. We're gonna take out this. We're very lucky. Looks like a charm over here. It's really good. Very nice. After we lose that, now we have to take out this 1-2 bolts, because we need the whole thing come down. Okay, that's come out. It's ready to move. So in order to get the exhaust out, you have to release the end, like the tip right here, and from the other side. As soon as we remove the tips, one end, it's right there. That one, 1-2 bolts as well. So we have it right now. Get the tips out. So remove the tip, just like that. And put it on the side. So it is M14. That tool. So now that we remove the tips, we're ready to go and take out the support bases right there, so we can drop it down. The good with this car, it is we don't have the rust that we've seen in other cars that they have 180, 190,000 Ks. So this is in a very good condition. No rust at all. And all the bolts, they're coming out clean. So let's drop it down a bit. As you can see, it's moving, which is a good thing. So obviously this is very handy, as I told you. Now it comes, better take out this. Nice. So now we have that. That's the one. This is the exhaust. So what they have done here, they actually bypass all the fumes in order to get more sound at the exhaust. We're gonna fix that. I don't like that. Well, the new Cardan shaft doesn't need alignment because it comes balanced from the factory, as you can see right here. It's already balanced. So we're out, all of them. Very nice. That's nice. So we got all three out. One, two. Two more. And we are good to go. There you go. And here we are. And here we can see the old one. I mean the one that it was on the car before and the new one. So if you notice right here there is no difference, it's exactly the same. So we move on. Right here exactly the same, but here is the difference. You see, this is point this way, so the head right there and the bolt right here, whereas here, despite the fact that it is pointing this way, the bolt it is wrongly. Okay, so let's put this back on.